Okay, hey everyone, welcome to the video here. In this video, I'm going to show you just simple one breath focused on different areas on the body will help you to calm your mind, empty your mind, and just be present in the moment. So without further ado, let's just get to the practice. Let's do the first breath. So if you're listening right now, just sit down and take a long, deep breath in. Hold at the top and squeeze a little bit in your throat so you are exhaling very slowly. And there's a natural pause here. Let that one be and relax on the inhalation again. Good. This is the breath we're going to use, and we're going to use it while we focus on certain areas on the body. There'll just be four areas to focus on. First area is going to be at the bottom here, and you can use like 2 or 3 fingers. Just push here to hold your attention there. If it's difficult for you to just hold it without that little push, put your fingers there. And we take a long, deep breath in. Focus your attention where you're pushing, and on the exhalation, keep your attention there. And let go. Just let the next breath flow naturally and relax. Again, the next one, put just right here in the middle of the chest with your little triangle there. Push right here. Just 3 fingers, push here. Hold your attention with that. Then the long inhale, fill up your diaphragm, fill up your lungs. Hold a bit, push your hand, and exhale, hold your focus here. Let go when the inhalation comes again, relax on the exhalation. Next one, here in between your eyebrows. Again, just push here. You can do it like you inhale, and when your inhalation is done, you press, hold for a bit, and exhale on a long exhalation. Remember to use your throat as much as your throat. Remember to use your throat as much as possible. Make that little hissing sound like an ocean sound to lengthen your breath, and that will calm your nervous system down, will calm your mind down, so you can come back to the present moment here and now. So you take your fingers here, push here, inhale, hold, and exhale. And let go. Last one on top of the head here. So 3 fingers in, inhale deeply and hold. Hold, push a bit, and exhale, long exhalation. And let go. Allow yourselves just to feel what is present afterwards, the calmness, how you feel in your body, just noticing. And you'll likely notice right now, if you've just done the practice, you'll feel more calm, settled, centered, whatever words you want to put on it, but it's a very stable state of being. Focus is clear. mind is more calm. Yeah. And if it's the first time you do it, remember, what you train, you get better at. So this effect you're getting right now from just that first initial try, that will be better and better and better. So there you go. In 5 minutes, you calm down your mind, you got present, just 5 breaths, easy to do. You can do it any way you'd like, on the toilet or whatever. Hope you like it. Give a thumbs up if you like it, give it a thumbs down if you don't. Leave in the comments below if you want more of these kind of very simple, direct practices. And yeah, take care, have a wonderful day. Remember the breath, first life-giving action of the body, right? Good breath means good health. Next thing, good water. The body needs water. And then come food. Okay, see ya.